So another year we are back at Liverpool John Lennon Airport, and I thought it's time we did another walkthrough, so let's go. So as you've seen from my videos in the past, really easy to get here. Over, let's flip the camera around, over there is your main Park Smart. Obviously right in front we've got the bus stops. Overhead we've got the Hilton Hotel and the multi-storey and long stay car park. And over to the right is where you've got all your things like the fast track parking, meet and greet. If you want to see my review of the fast track parking from last year, the link's in the top of the video now. But yeah, let's get through to departures. So all the check-in desks are here. There's a Starbucks and a Greggs if you wanted to get anything before you go through. But if you've already checked in, it's simply come in, turn left and head towards the big sign. It says departures. So to get up to departures, it's either escalators or lift. We're going to hit the lift. This is where you only need your boarding pass. Behind you, mate, out you go. You only need your boarding pass, also security's after it. Here at the airport, all you need to do is leave everything in your bag. So it's still the 100ml limit, but you don't need to pull everything out and put it in the little bags. You just leave it all in your bag. Also, I've been told there's something new at security, which we're going to check as well. So I can't film in security, but I want to tell you a bit that's new here at Liverpool, which I think makes a big difference. Normally when you go into security and you put your stuff in your tray, and there's only about 4 or 5, possibly 6 different sort of gates to get to where you put your tray on. And if you're in the furthest one away, I've had it where you're sat there for ages because everyone else in front of you just pushing their trays on before you can get yours on. So they've got a new system here in Liverpool this year, and I can't film it because you're not allowed to film in security. But essentially the staff automatically send your bag in the right order. So you're not having that bit where you're waiting for everyone else's bag to go through just because you're at the furthest point away. A little difference, but can make a big impact on you getting through security. And after security, literally takes a few minutes to get through. You're into duty free, where you can save time and pre-order online and then just pick it up as you go through. So as you come out duty free, on the right is the Aspire Lounge. Again, if you want to know what that's like, have a look at my review video, link is in the top. I was a bit harsh on it, I think, and I am going to go and try it again another time as well. But yeah, that's it really. Now you're into the main departures area, where you've got loads of different coffee shops, WH Smith, JD's, Monty's, loads of stuff as well. Great airport as always. Busy time, I didn't think it would be. We're here at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Busier than I expected, but we are in peak summer. But there are places to sit down, not many. You have to go walking if you need to, but lots to do as well. So yeah, again, a great experience at Liverpool Airport as usual. Thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button and join us on our next trip, because I'm going to find out if there is anything better than a Jet2 holiday. See ya.